We are live. Currently forming 15-minute orb highs and lows. Pre-market high 21,384.25. 8:30 open 21353.5. Midnight open 21,290.5, and pre-market lows 21,238. This could have been a nice liquidity grab, and now it's going back to the downside. 18 VIX, and I'm also looking at day 2 SC earnings plays, VWAP bounces, if I can see that we're getting any. Right now VWAP is at 158, but I'm curious to see what now. Yep, now it's downturning on the MNQ. Oh man. Ideally it hits here for a mean reversion play. My narrative for today is there is a sideways chop. So
Order filled. Order filled.
we took some shorts on J-Dun trades. Oh yeah, great. Keep ripping. Keep ripping. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, perfect. Good scalp. We have a double wick happening. Okay, it's retesting. If it fails, we're entering in. Now we'll be on the right side of the V. Let's see. Two beautiful wicks forming. Could be just a retest rejection, but let's see if it forms a top wick here. That's what we're looking for.
Order filled.
Okay, on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it's retesting. So just gonna have it at here. Didn't even finish my sentence. Let's get 200 points here. We'll have it take profit here. So 1R already. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give us 2R. Give us 3R. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Hang on. depending on this bounce, I do think it has one more push onto the downside. One more push onto the downside. Nothing about this says it wants to reverse. Oh yeah, keep on going. 30 more points. Hands on the trigger. So it looks like it can go down to me. Still looks like it can go down for me. Oh yeah, rip, rip. There we go. Oh yeah, keep on ripping. Yeah. Yep. Alright, successfully. That was a nice scalp to eat the tail. Okay, oh man, it's coming back up again. Come on, keep on pushing. Yeah, push, 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 push. Come on. Come on, make 2R really easy for me. Make it really easy. 30 more points. Push, push. Yes, yes. That's it. That's it. Come on, push more. Oh, shoot. Push. Yeah, good. Great. Push, push, push. Yes, good fail. Good fail. Yes, come on. Vomit. Vomit. I'm looking for 2R if I see it. No, we hit 1.5. We're kind of flirting with 1R. Not enough. I want to trust my system. Come on. Yes, good. Go, go, go. Give me a play. It's hovering around midnight open. Under VWAP. I think it just go. I think it wants to go. Nope, not that way. Flirting at 1R. Okay,
Order
I'll take it
filled.
off. I'll take it off. Something, that candle doesn't look right. 14.3 divergence. That was a good trade to take off for me. It was a 14-3 divergence that formed. This happened before, where there was a level that it was just hovering above, and if it doesn't break on the downside, these strong green candles will take out my stop loss. So I've potentially avoided a disaster trade. But let's see here what's going to happen. 21 moving average bounce. Typically for my orb, usually I would ignore everything and just stick to the clan, but the 14-3 does lend itself. Does It has successfully was a pattern today that was effective, and it revealed itself right here. This 956 candle sweeping these lows and then just ripping up higher. If I entered here, 86, 10 points, 86 to 33. That's a great 2R trade, or 1.5R, depending on how tight I want to make everything. So right now, eyes are on longs. Eyes are on longs. But a close below uh, the orb lows will make me want to go short. But let's see if it's holding strong here. So it's forming a nice respect around here where the 21 moving averages on the 1 minute chart. It's kind of swept the lows here. Oh, yeah, that's very.
Order filled.
Yeah, push, push. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
Stop loss, break. Yeah, let's sell
Order
one more.
filled.
Okay, stop loss is at break even. Stop loss is at break even. Push. Push, push, push.
Order filled.
We took those scalps with Greg. I trust his levels. He sees different levels than me. I for a lot of the levels that he's pointing out where he enters long and short, I just don't see it with my 1 5 minute time frame. I think he's looking at either 4 hour levels or some hourly levels, and of course watching the price action. So I'm learning, just tailing his trades, trying to see and analyze. But I just successfully took his scalps again as well, and right now we're waiting. We're waiting. a nice imbalance head, inverse head and shoulder right here. We have a big shoulder. Here's the head, and uh, an imbalance right here. His right shoulder is not as developed. Still respecting these orbital lows, still within the range, went right back in. I hear that there are a lot of different levels here before the break to the downside, so you have a lot of support. So does that mean that we can't break through? No, but let's see what the price action does. Definitely a mean reversion type of day. No extended moves, no breakouts, so I'm gonna curtail my expectations. Take scalps if the entry is nice. I'm gonna rely on my short-term strategies, which is the 14-3 and price action scalping. the stochastic smack in the middle, 14.3. Even the 60.10 here on the 1 minute and 5 minute smack in the middle, 59 for the 5 minute, 41 for the 1 minute. Super mean reversion like, so I can either buy these by the ends of these tails here on the 5 minute, but let's check it out. Yeah, so I would try to have buy orders here. Nothing looks like it wants to go. Just buy at the ends of the extremes is what the goal is. I think Greg just stopped out on NQ long, but I think he entered too early. Maybe about 10 more points here, and then it's gonna wick back up. I'm gonna enter 2 here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Just come down a little bit more. Gonna enter 2 more. Just obeying my thesis. Come on, a little bit more. Okay.
Order
We'll enter
filled.
here. Stop loss. Right here. Where is my take profit? Oh man, it's so far up here. Perfect. Okay. Bum 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 bump it up. Bum bum bump it up. Okay, there we go. Whoops. Whoops. Perfect. Yep. Mean reversion type of day. Mean reversion type of day. I'll take off 1. Take off 1.
Order filled.
Stop loss at break even. Stop loss at break even, and then we're chilling. We're chilling. Come on. Take it out. Push. Push. Okay, come on. Push. Push. Oh, it's going to tag me out? I don't think so. I think from what formed there, I want to do something like that. It's going to eat it again. I'm very surprised. Come on, push up. Push up. Yeah, it'll hit my break even. Push up. Wow, what a doji. What a doji. Let's put it right here then. Oh, so close. I think it's gonna hit it in reverse.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice. Oh yeah. Tons of buyers there. I don't wanna. My instinct is to sell these, but that's not the way I read price action anymore. Yeah, oh yeah, perfect. Of course, no worries. Mean reversion type of day. Stochastics on the 60-10, there's absolutely no momentum shifting either way, so we can play the ranges on this 5 minutes. So I'm looking for my next short entry at 21,360. I have no interest. Oh, actually, the 1 minute chart is tempting me. If it forms more tails like that, I might be interested. Be interested actually here, but I would prefer an entry up here so I can have less risk. Put the stop loss right above. I feel like it can still go a little bit more. I'm in no rush. For an entry. Curious though, why did I take an entry at 22? I think I saw an aggressive push. This is why. I think I saw an aggressive push. Momentum is smack in the middle. There is absolutely no momentum. We're in a range bound right now. Curious what SE is doing. Okay, it's mean reverting back. Now it's at VWAP. That would be a sign for me to take a long position, but I'm not confident in that at the moment. So I'm just gonna not do what I'm not comfortable with right now. I'm just doing MNQ futures, Nasdaq futures. I think it's gonna keep ripping. I think it's gonna keep ripping. I know I want to see what it does at 360. Oh, it looks like it's fading here. Okay. Looks like it was fading, but I really don't wanna. I really don't want to do this. No, I'm not gonna do it. No reason to force it. No reason to force it. Don't force it, actually. Yeah, nothing about this tells me. I mean, these three candles forming the tails tells me it really wants to take away these 10 points, but it doesn't have to. It can just go. It can just go like that. But ideally, I would like to see it do this. Okay, yep, took out the highs there. Okay, decreasing volume on the 1 minute, decreasing volume on the 5 minute. It's like a zombie grind, zombie chop. Yep. Will it fulfill its prophecy? Oh man, another doji. Never mind, hang on. Flipping back up. Okay, let's do one contract. Let's sell. More indecision. Will it fulfill 5 more points? Nah, it's not at the level. Don't force it. Don't force it. Literally in the last 2026, in the last 5 minutes, and nothing has happened with decreasing volume. And all of my influences in terms of developing strategy, nobody trades low volume with low volatility with no momentum. So yeah, I would have went short here. I would have put the stop loss either here or above 360, and right now it's tagging it, so I knew better. The key, an interesting level here would be this 830. Yeah, perfect. It's tagging it. Great, great. Okay. Now I'm curious to see if it's gonna stay above or close below. So something like this at 10:09, 10:08, and 10:09 would be ideal. We'll see, something about this tells me it's bullish, maybe because it's above 21 moving average on the 1 minute chart, above VWAP, uptrending momentum stochastics. Oh, that's a bullish candle. It's gonna overtake it, and then we'll see what happens after. Usually it happens twice. So after it overtakes it, I want to see what happens. One more step out the ladder. Okay,
Order
we'll sell
filled.
2 here. Bum, 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 bum. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Push. Yeah, we'll buy
Order
one there.
filled.
We'll have it at break. Oh. And we'll have it at the end here. Perfect. Great trade. Great trade. Come on. Push down. We're at break even. Okay, will it actually reverse all the way? I don't think so. Good. Stay there. Stay there. So far, these three selling candles, very aggressive. I think it's gonna conquer this. Yep, perfect. Push down. Push down. I think it's gonna hit 306. It'll definitely hit 320. So let's see. Well, let's see how far. Come on, let's go. Oh,
Order filled.
surprise. Surprise. Great trade though. Great trade. TP1, 11 points. Second, all out, 1035, 1035. Okay. Great trade. Great trade. Took a couple points there. And then back smack in the middle. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Back in the middle. I'm surprised. It didn't go further than it did. It just stopped here at 320 and then it just reversed. I think this should be it. This is not. There is no big move that's gonna happen. Took some scalps today. I sized down. Okay. I sized down. Made sure that we're protecting our profits. Oh yeah, that doesn't mean anything to me. Yeah, sized down. Even the orb strategy failed. If anything, let's see, where is it? This candle right here. Typically, when I see wicks that are about the same size, it would prompt me to go short some more, which the pop above, reject, and back down would be great. But this one right here, the anomaly, that's a sign for you to go. That the orb trade is invalidated, in my opinion. And also on the momentum indicator that I'm tracking, it formed a higher number on the 14.3 and a lower low, so it was a reversal. Now we're trending sideways. Nothing interesting for me. A pretty active day, all things considering, for me. Took 4 scalps, took 1 orb trade that I ended up breaking even with. A lot of manual intervention today. So my narrative today was correct. It was sideways based off the power of 3, but at 10:05, 10:10 was absolutely clear that it was trending sideways. Now look, uh, VWAP on the 1 minute and the moving averages are smack in the middle. It's basically a flat line, and price action up, down, up, down, up, down by 43, 22 by, we're in 20-point range. In my opinion, this is too short of a move. Ideally, you like it for a 60-point range, but 20-point range, no thanks. Okay, I think I'm done for today. This isn't a market worthy of continuing to trade. I already made my money by analyzing these moves. Ironically enough, yesterday in my breakout trade, I took the long entry here, but that was way too early and it just kept going lower and lower and lower and lower. Yeah, for some reason, let me check. Why did I go long? Oh, I went long here after 40, 30, 26, 40, 20, 40, 30, 26. So what's this? 40, 30 with the sell, and 30. So actually, I waited 15 minutes before taking the pre-market high entry, and it actually broke above it at 9:35. So okay, I think it's a timing thing then. Did it hit it? Nope. Nope. It's close. It's close. Still mean reverting. Still mean reverting. Is there news? Is there news tomorrow? What is it doing? What is it doing? These things. May 15th is a Thursday. Okay, UK news. Oh, we have PPI tomorrow. Okay, PPI. Oh, we have PPI. Okay. Alright, news tomorrow. 8:30. Yeah, I guess the market's just waiting. No Newton. Market's just waiting. Alright, guys. Closing up shop for the day. Hope you guys catch the morning trades. That's as much volatility right now as it's showing. And as we're speaking, maybe it's gonna retest some of these. The end of the ranges here, so you can go long. That's a tip if it continues the price action trend at the moment. But otherwise, hope you guys have a great trading Wednesday. Right now, nothing about it is breaking out. So if you are holding trades expecting a higher R multiple today, is definitely not the day. Feel free to go against it. Yeah, nothing else to say, but I wish you luck if you do, because right now, can you explain the price action on this 5-minute chart and want to hold trades for your typical breakouts? I'll let you answer that. But otherwise, scalping mode. It's the scalper's paradise at the moment. Doesn't mean you average in your losers, just means you gotta pick your spots, have your confirmed stop loss and your take profit as you go along. And right as we're talking about it, yep, hovers and right back to the middle it goes. I'm predicting it'll hit 336 before it comes back down to 321. Let's see. For a last little bit. 336. 336 before 321. Wow. I think it's gonna hit 336 before 321. Did it hit 321? Oh, it did. 321.25. It was so quick, I didn't even see it. Alright, whoops. Well, I guess I lost that one. I guess this is why you don't see me trading any range markets. You don't see me scalping. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Yep. I rest my case for that. Now, after it conquered that, back to 336 it goes. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And of course, as much as you want to anticipate these moves, there's no pattern, right? 4 red candles on the 1 minute, 2 green, 2 red, 1 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red. This is going to be green. And next one's going to be red. Alright, catch you guys tomorrow. Have fun training.